It's recording. Hi, folks. I'm Akhil, and I'm trying to create. The YouTube video series of decentralized finance on the topic of decentralized finance. So this is my friend Monish. He want to learn about DeFi, so he just joined the session. So you can introduce yourself, Monish.
Hi guys, hi Monish. Budding is
You can
assistant.
on the filter, Monish.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah,
Hi.
you can say. Now you can introduce.
Hi
It-
guys, my name is Monish. Budding is assistant in the cybersecurity domain. I have a deep fascination on cybersecurity, particularly in ethical hacking. Now, recently, I'm progressing on the bug bounty programs, and I have learned something from that. So, this is about me, and is Akhil is there. Yes, we study at we study at the same college.
Yeah,
This
nice. And so we'll just start this session. And so today topic is about Ethereum smart contracts. This is the basic one in Ethereum, like in Ethereum ecosystem. Uh, we are discussing the DeFi applications because when it comes to DeFi, so when it comes to DeFi, decentralized finance, in the beginning, Ethereum ecosystem has the large, like they have large developers, so there are so many DeFi applications in this ecosystem. So when it comes to Ethereum ecosystem, it has a own currency called Ether, like Ethereum, everyone knows, and so in Ethereum, we have great applications in DeFi. So for example, we have Uniswap, Aave, and Compound, and MakerDAO. These are the biggest DeFi applications in Ethereum ecosystem. And so basically, like we'll come from the basics. Like so in Ethereum, it is not only containing a currency, and on that Ethereum ecosystem, so we'll call it L1 chain, layer one chain. So in the Web3, we have so many different terminology. You'll come to know in the future. So in Web3, like in Ethereum, we have a ecosystem. Like on the Ethereum ecosystem, we can build applications. So we can build those applications by creating smart contracts. So those smart contracts are created by using programming language called Solidity. So to create a smart contract, we have to use more Solidity language. And so what is smart contract? Smart contract is nothing but it is a just it will be in the code form with some deterministic rules and regulations. So in simple words, it is an agreement between two people in a decentralized way. So what is decentralization? So what is decentralization? Decentralization is nothing but like what we say, like uh, like there will be no single authority. Like there is no one. There is no single point. Like there is no single person controlling all the power. Like controlling all the things. He will not have power, authority, and control. So instead of having a single person having control, authority, and power, these power, control, authority will be distributed to every person. So, for example, in simple words, in a classroom, there is a class leader. Class leader. So when it comes to decentralization, in the class, every student will be the class leader. Your free meeting will end in 10 minutes. It seems. I think we'll try to create another meeting. Let's continue this session. Okay, Monish,
Okay.
are you understanding what I'm saying from starting
Yeah.
onwards? Yeah,
Yeah.
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 So this is about decentralization. I said in the simple words, in the classroom, every student will be the class leader. So everyone will be having the full power, not only the class leader. This is about decentralization. So why I have explained about decentralization? So smart contracts are created. So why we bought the concept of smart contracts? So for example, so I'll tell you in the like using whiteboard that can be understandable. Are you able to see whiteboard, Monish?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So
I can see.
let's say this is Akil. This is Monish. Okay, Monish. So
Yeah.
these are the two persons. I have to send some like in Web3, there will be having some tokens. So that can be called as currency also. But so to transfer some tokens, let's say like for example, what we have to say like for example, I have to let's keep this side. For example, I want to give 100 rupees to you, so you want to give some 200 rupees to me. Means let's say for example, I want to buy a car from you. You have to give a car, and I will give I'll give money. So what will be doing, like if I give my money to you at first, so you'll be there is a chance like you will be going away with that money, like by cheating me. So that is not a nice thing. So this is here there is no trust between us. So like because of trustless issue, we have bought the topic called smart contracts. So in the smart contracts, smart contract will be in the form of code. So like what I said, like did you understand the simple real world example, right? So in the Web3,
Yeah.
it has some tokens that will be known as the currency also. So you want to send some tokens, you just give me a minute. I'll just come. Someone is coming into my room. My friend, I think so. Hi, Monish, are you there? So just he's my friend. Currently, I'm in the college hostel right now. So keep it aside.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come to the topic.
Yeah.
So so in this Web3, we'll be having a tokens. So Akil wants to send some tokens. We'll say some tokens. Token type of one. That is a different token. I want to send to Monish, and Monish want to send a different token to, let's say, token to Akil. So you want to send a token to me. So I'll send token one to you. So whoever sends one, you just don't touch the screen touchpad. So you'll send token to me. So token two to me. So I'll send token one to me. So how this will happen? Like we will create a smart contract. So that will be in the form of code. Let's say this is smart contract. This will be in the form of code. Just a code. I will. Smart contract is nothing but a code. So I'll keep my token one in the smart contract. So you will keep your token two in the smart contract. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you following me? So
Yeah.
these type of smart contracts called as escrow smart contract.
Okay.
This type of smart contract is called escrow smart contract. Escrow contract. You can call it as escrow contract. So what this escrow contract will do? you will be putting your token 2 in this smart contract. I will be putting my token 1 into this smart contract. So the smart contract will be executing automatically. First, we have to deploy the smart contract onto the blockchain. If we deploy, that will be immutable. Smart contracts are immutable. Once we deploy on the blockchain, that will be permanent. Are you understanding me?
Yeah.
So if we keep tokens in the smart contract, I will also keep tokens in the smart contract. This smart contract will be, after deploying, this will automatically this will be executing. So the smart contract will give token 2 to me, token 1 to you. So the transaction is done.
Yeah.
There is no between two of us, we are strangers. We don't need to be trusting within ourselves. There is no trust between us. So we can use escrow contracts and we can make a transaction. In the real world, we can I can buy a car from you. So this is the use case of smart contract. And so Arya, did you understand what I said?
Yeah.
From the
I can
beginning. So if you have doubts about smart contract, you can ask me.
There's
Yeah.
no doubt. I can understood. I understood.
Yeah. So let's remove these all the things. So let's you have a clear idea about smart contracts now.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the DeFi. So what is DeFi? DeFi, just DeFi is nothing but decentralized finance. DeFi is nothing but decentralized finance. So this is the concept that revolutionize the finance in the future. This will recreate the traditional finance in the decentralized way. So let's keep this side, traditional finance. So why we bought this concept of decentralized finance? We have a traditional finance here in this current world. So why we bought this decentralized finance? So with this, I have said about this decentralized finance, we can be creating decentralized finance in the decentralized way, so that everyone will have the same power to use. So in this, when we talk about, when we talk about traditional finance, so if you want to take some loans to buy an apartment, like in the future, you will get a job and you will get a wife and you have to buy a home. This is right or not?
Yeah.
In the future, you have to buy a home. Yeah. You will take a loan from a bank, SBI. For example, you take SBI. So you'll take a loan. So you have to take a loan to buy a home.
Yeah.
So they will be charging some. So let's continue the session. So this is decentralized finance and this is traditional finance. I've said the real world example. You have to buy a home in the future. So you have to take a loan. So when you, for example, you are taking loan from the SBI bank. So if you go Sunday on that to that SBI bank, you'll get a loan. You'll not get a loan because on Sunday it will be closed. So there is no service for 24 hours and every day. So that is the biggest disadvantage in traditional finance. That is one of the disadvantages in traditional finance. So in decentralized finance, you can be using 24 hours and every day. There will be no stopping. And when you on decentralized finance, you will be using some smart contracts so that you'll be claiming some loans. So by the use case of smart contracts there, so one smart contract, for example, I'll say in next few minutes. So in decentralized finance, there will be some applications. Like I said, Uniswap. So those are created by smart contracts. So once the smart contract is created, that can be used so many times. I said in the beginning, smart contract is just an agreement in a decentralized way. So the agreement can be done so many times by using one smart contract that can be reusable. But in traditional finance, uh, for example, like in real world example, I have to buy land from you. So what I'll do, like I'll be taking some agreements on the paper. So how may and I'll taking agreements on some paper and I'll be taking that papers from you. You are the owner. So I'm buying the next land from others. So I have to take some other agreements and some other paper. The paperwork will be less. There is no paperwork here, and there will be no agreements done again and again, because here we are using one smart contract and we are doing so many agreements. So this is the one, and one more disadvantage in traditional finance. That's why we bought a decentralized finance, and this is only happened because of blockchain technology. So, and one more thing is, like, we have so many advantages compared to traditional finance. So in traditional finance, there will be only money will be uh, cashing out and cashing in. Like, there will be real money in our hands. So that can be not durable. So in decentralized finance, we'll be having cryptocurrency. Like, cryptocurrency will be sharing, like transferring from one country to another country anonymously. So there will be disadvantage also related to anonymous. So that can be solvable in the future. Some industry leaders also thinking about the problem of anonymity, because like some drug dealers will be doing some big transactions anonymously. The government can't find them, because they are doing big transactions, they are doing some scams. They can't find it because they are using transactions of cryptocurrencies. So they can be doing anonymity, right? So that is a big problem. But compared to traditional finance, there are so many advantages of the in decentralized finance. There will be one first point is there will be cost effective, because in this we are paying some intermediaries in the to the bank to, like. And one more thing is, the like we'll continue this in coming minutes. So, like, one is cost effective, the decentralized finance, and it's available for 24 hours and every day. And like, what we'll say, and it is decentralized. That is the biggest advantages of DeFi compared to traditional finance. So if there is no decentralization, that will be traditional finance. So that is the biggest problem, because let's say, for real world example, actually I'll say one story. So I just drinking like one Mosambik fruit juice in my college. So I got one notification in my mobile call, like, you have detected some 25 or 85 rupees from your SBI account, due to, like, they are charging, because they are providing SBI services. We are doing transactions on SBI using SBI credit card. So they are charging. So without our permissions, how can they deduct some 85 rupees? They can take our all money, right? They can take our uh, every penny, right? From our bank account, they can take lakhs of money directly without our permission. That is not right, right? So that is wrong thing. So there is no decentralization here. They are the single person is ruling there, because they are without permission only they are they are taking money out of our bank. So that is the thing happening. And did you understand what I said about decentralization, all the things, the differences?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. If you have any doubts, about the terminology, you just ask. I'll happy to answer.
It's nothing I can understand. I understood actually.
Okay, okay. So, what we have to discuss? So we'll try to see the examples of decentralized finance. So we'll see. Now, currently we have some great products in decentralized finance. So those are the biggest products, and we have some. We'll see. I'll share the screen. You can see. Yeah, these are the biggest DeFi products. One is Aave. Aave is a decentralized non-custodial liquidity market pool, market protocol where participants can either be lenders or borrowers. Like that's what I said. Like we can take a loan from this Aave 24, like there will be 24 availability of this platform. We every time we can like anytime we can take money out of this protocol. So there will be having some topics in Web3 called some collateral things. Finance will be, so you will be not understanding now. So that will be explained in the coming sessions because we are continuing the this DeFi series. So this is one of the biggest product in Ethereum ecosystem only, and this is Uniswap. So we'll be having some different types of tokens. I'll be having some. So in this DeFi, so there is a concept called stablecoin. That stablecoin is also created by writing smart contracts. The stablecoin is nothing but the stablecoin means one stablecoin is equals to that will be pegged to $1. Pegged to $1 means that will not increase the value. That will be not decreasing the value. There will that will be equivalent to $1. That is pegged to $1 means one stable can equal to $1 only. That will not increase and that will not decrease. So there will be different types of the stable coin USDC, USDT. So and we have different types of tokens, ERC20 tokens. So there are so many topics here. So right, because Ethereum request comment, ERC20 token means Ethereum request comment 20 token. So those are created by Ethereum core developers and contributors of Ethereum community. So we'll be discussing in the future. So to convert from one token to different token, we have a protocol called Uniswap token. Sorry, Uniswap protocol. We'll be swapping our different tokens. If I have USDC, I want some USDT. So I'll be swapping. You want to see the Uniswap website? Do you want to see?
Yeah.
So this is the Uniswap website. So we can actually we can launch this app and we have to connect, I think so. We'll see. See here, you can see here protocol governance. The governed by the community. No single person will govern the
Hmm.
product. Like everyone will do. Everyone will have power. Who have here you can read the Uniswap protocol is managed by global community of uni token holders and delegates. Means if you have uni tokens in your MetaMask wallet, you will be the person to change some futures on Uniswap. Means there will be having some voting system and mechanism we can learn later. If you learn
Hmm.
like if you read the documentation of this protocol, you will be understanding everything. So,
Hmm.
so in syncing, I think the internet is not good. I will no problem. But I just want to say one thing because in Web3, if you want to understand some protocol,
Yeah.
you have to just read documentation. If you read documentation, you will be understanding everything about that protocol. Oh, so this is the you need to understand, right? What is Uniswap protocol? Did you understand what is Uniswap protocol? You'll be swapping
No.
different types of tokens. That's all.
Okay.
So it is so it will be doing this way. And we have another product called Maker DAO. So Maker is a collateralized lending protocol that supports
Okay.
DAI, a stable can peg you to US dollars. You can read here. So in this
Yeah.
product, like within this product, they have a stable coin called DAI.
Hmm.
and Maker is a collateralized lending protocol. We can take out of money, and this. So here you can see Maker DAO. So DAO is also a technical term in Web3. DAO is nothing but decentralized autonomous organization. That's what they can. So the total community will be governing the protocol. So the another like the product is called Compound. Compound is also a market protocol that can be lend and borrow funds in exchange for collateral. So about these products, you can understand by reading their respective documentations. So
Okay.
we'll not going deep into those products. In coming sessions, we'll be understanding everything in this DeFi. Okay, Monish.
Yeah, yeah.
And one more thing I want to say is like, and this is where the twist comes. Like in the beginning, what I have said, smart contracts, when once the smart contracts is once the smart contract is deployed on blockchain, that will be immutable. That cannot be changed.
Yeah, yeah.
That's where the twist comes. Like we can change the smart contracts.
Okay.
So if we change the smart contracts, there will be no decentralization. Like if you keep one token in smart contract, I will be keeping some token in that contract. That contract will execute automatically and will be getting respective tokens. But if you change that smart contracts, everyone can change, right?
Yeah.
So that will be a big problem. So actually, that is a problem, but we can securely upgrade the smart contracts. We have some methods. So why we are changing those smart contracts? Do you have a question like? Did you understand what I said?
Yeah, I can understand.
Like, did you raise a question in your mind that smart contracts potential is immutable, that cannot be changed, so that no one can hack and no one can do anything. The smart
Mm.
contract can be reusable by any persons at any time. So, did you raise a question like why we are changing these smart contracts? Did you got it out?
Yeah.
So why we are changing means like for example, we are creating a product. So we are creating a smart contract for that product. So
Okay.
in that smart contract, we are writing like in the form of code. In that code, we are writing. So if we use our product, some protocols will be using our product. So we are taking this much of percentage of commission from your protocol. Some company will be using our product, so we will be charging some 10% of commission from them.
Okay.
So we'll be not involving directly. The smart contracts will directly involve with that company. Did you understand? They'll use our products means they'll use our smart contracts. Means
Okay, understood.
they'll use the
I got.
products means the in the underground the smart contracts will work. So
Yeah.
automatically 10% of commission they will give to us. Like
Mm.
they'll not give in person. Like they'll use the smart contract. If they use smart contracts of our product, the 10% of commission directly will be coming into our product's MetaMask wallet. Means for our product, we'll be keeping one MetaMask wallet. Means
Mm.
whoever uses our product, that money will be coming into this MetaMask wallet. So this MetaMask
Okay.
wallet will be controlled by founders of that company.
Mm.
Did you understand now? So
Yeah.
in the future, we want to change the percentage of those charging commission. I want to make like our found like the main team of our product said that we'll be increasing the commission to 10% to 20%. So if we can't change the smart contract, what is the value there?
Mm.
Did you understand what I said? So like in the future, like we have to upgrade the smart contract and we have to change the charging commission from 10% to 20%.
Mm.
So we have some methods. I'll share. Did you like my? Did you? Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. So Actually, there is a security firm called Cypherin. They have posted one blog. This is an excellent blog on upgradable smart contracts.
Okay.
So there are so many different types of. So there are some different methods to upgrade the smart contracts in a secure way. So we have some smart contract proxy pattern. So this is one type of uh, upgrading the smart contract transparency proxy pattern. This is an advanced topics. Will not go in depth into it. So this is the one method. One is transparent proxy pattern. Other one is universal upgradable, like upgrade proxy standard. UPS we call. So this is the second method, and this is the third method. Beacon proxy and minimal proxy pattern and diamond proxy pattern. These are the methods to upgrade the smart contracts.
Okay.
So this is about the thing. And just want to say one more thing. Sorry. I just opened my Telegram. So I just want to say one more thing. Like when we discuss about difference between DeFi and traditional finance, so I'll show the pros and cons of that. Like I will show the differences. I'll be opening one thing. So you can see here. You'll be able. Are you able to see? Hello, Monish.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, I can see here. So for the decentralized finance, we have discussed about the disadvantages and disadvantages of traditional finance. Now we will discuss about disadvantages of decentralized finance. Oh, so here you can see these are the pros and cons of decentralized finance. So the cons or disadvantages of decentralized finance. So these are the simple disadvantages. This can be solvable in the future. Are you understanding? Are you following me, Monish?
I'm following.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I'm
these are,
following.
yeah, you can speak.
Yeah, I'm following you. So
Yeah,
you can
okay.
continue.
These are the pros of decentralized finance. So one is fully automated. No one can control. Okay. And there will be deterministic results by using decentralized finance. And one thing is no one can trust no one. Like I can't trust you to do one transaction. So there is trustless by using decentralized finance, and then it is fast and it is precise and it is secure and it is cost efficient. So and it is transparent because everything will be on the blockchain, so everyone can see the transactions what will be going. So when it comes to disadvantages, so or cons of that decentralized finance, so for every software in web 2 or in web 3, so there will be software bugs. Will you agree with me? Like every software will be having a bugs.
Yeah,
That is a big
definitely.
disadvantage. So if you find bugs in the smart contracts, they can hack and they can store every single penny which contains in that smart contract. Actually, I want to say one thing: smart contract can store funds, they can send funds, they can receive funds. So if a black hat can come and if they like if he hack the smart contract, he can be like he can store every penny in that smart contract. So this is the big disadvantages, and I'll say the solution for this also for software bugs. The industry is improving nowadays. Like we have so many like for every smart contract, there will be security researchers in this field. They will be doing some audits on that smart contracts to find bugs and they'll fix it. So the industry is very like it's improving in 2024. It's very good. Like I'll be telling everything. So wait, I'll open that. And one more thing is protocol changes. And one more thing is unclear regulation, means from the government, some regulations are not completed, and the unclear tax from the government. On this, are you understanding, Monish? Like on the unclear tax means, like we are using these decentralized finance things, we are using these stable coins, and we are using these tokens from this decentralized finance world. So government has not declared the taxes on this, and so these are the things pending. So these are the disadvantages or cons of this decentralized finance. So these are simple things. These can be solved in the future. So that's what I'm saying. Currently, we are solving these software bugs in the smart contracts by we have so many platforms like Code for Arena, Sherlock, and Codehawks. So
Mm, mm,
those are listing some protocols to audit by the they are listing some protocols on their platform, so that security researchers will come and find the bugs in those protocols, and they will be rewarded, and they'll find bugs. So both will
okay.
benefit. Those protocols will also not lose so many millions of funds from the smart
Mm,
contract if they find bugs by the security researchers. So the industry is good now.
mm,
And so these are the contest platforms. What I have said about Code for Arena, Sherlock, Codehawks, and these are the like competitive audits we call. Security researcher will find bugs, and there will be
oh,
private auditing going on. Some only
mm,
4 security researchers will be finding bugs in the particular protocol.
mm.
The security is going well in this industry in 2024. And that's all about the introduction about DeFi and introduction about smart contracts. That's all about for today. That's all about for this video, guys. And what do you say? Like, did I explain
Yeah, I
nicely?
can understand. Yeah,
Did you understand everything about smart contracts and DeFi?
yeah, I can understand. Yeah, between about traditional finance and DeFi between. I can understand, but it's very complex actually.
Yeah, yeah.
By the way,
And yeah,
so
because
unable to get. Yeah,
yeah, you
yes,
can
continue,
speak.
continue.
You can speak. You can speak.
So it's unable to ask a question actually. First time I'm hearing about this.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I,
I can understand what you're. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, I understood you because we are diving into new technology called blockchain technology, so that there will be different types of there will be completely different terminology in this technology. So it will
Yeah.
be complex to
Mm,
understand in the beginning. So you'll come to
mm,
understand in the future. We'll be having some DeFi sessions.
okay.
If I have time, I'll be continuing these DeFi sessions on YouTube. We'll see, and I'll share the resources. I'll share these resources links in the YouTube video down below, and
Okay.
we'll see. How is the session? Do you have any doubts, or how I am explaining?
You're explaining very good actually.
Okay.
I not getting actually don't know what to ask actually questions. I can
Okay.
understand what
But you can
what you.
understand the main concept of smart
Yeah,
contracts and
yeah, yeah,
decentralized finance, right?
yeah, yeah.
That can be very good.
Okay.
Explain all the things, and that's all about for this video. And can you on the one that filter? Just show me how can we on so that I can.
Like this.
Nice, nice. Bye everyone.
Bye bye.
To be honest, I'm afraid of growing